All right, everyone, I don't know how well you can see, but this is finally, the rooftop tent is here from Overland Vehicle Systems. So let me just get it into the garage. It says 107 pounds online, but 170 in shipping, so I'm a little confused. It feels like 170. Woo! Beautiful sound, right? Right now, here are my scissors. I'm definitely gonna be very, very, very careful while opening. Don't want to cut into any of the fabric, even though I don't think I would. And here's something interesting. On the Amazon ad that I bought it from the Overland Vehicle Marketplace, it says TMBK 3, but on here it says TMBK 2. So, I mean, I'm only really going to be the majority of the one sleeping in it with my dog, but it's definitely interesting. A little bit of false advertisement. Nice plastic wrapping. Now, we actually had a little bit of problem with shipping the first time, so this box has came over here a couple times. And I can tell it has been. It's a little warm, but it's as long as the tent is okay inside of it, which right now the packaging looks, I mean, it looks okay. There's a nice styrofoam layer. Lift this up, nice. Bit of almost like plywood, but not. Okay. And styrofoam, another inch, and bam, bottom of the tent. Finally, I ordered this on July 21st, and it is September 2nd. No fault to really Overland Vehicle Systems. Just some mix up with shipping. Now I'm seeing this and this, hoping and assuming those are for my mounting spots. Now it's like, do I try to get it out or how should I do it? I don't know. But, I mean, overall, I've seen the few reviews that I have seen about this tent has been, they were, what's the word I want to use? I don't know, they were promising. So I decided to go with it. I mean, price definitely played a big factor in it. This was only $849, so $850. Shipping included off Amazon, so, I mean, as long as it doesn't get wet, as long as I don't get wet sleeping in it, then I don't know, there should be no complaints. But I want to be really careful as I remove it from the box, because I kind of want to open it up in here just to see. So I wonder how I do that. Fabric feels good. This looks like it's opening for something. Probably shouldn't open that yet. Let's Now it should unfold. Yes! Woo! Oh my goody goodness. Do it nice and slow. Wow. Wow. Okay. What can I say? Maybe I was expecting a little bit taller. I don't know. Maybe I don't feel like it's up fully. It's open all the way. It's a little bit of rain, so that's why I haven't put anything out. Whew. All right, guys. This is the inside of it. I was a little concerned that it doesn't come with mounting stuff, which I still don't know if I see. But let's see. Inside of it, it's fine. I have to put the rain fly up right now. Put this up also. Okay. Does not want to stay up. And here's my ladder that comes with it. Put you back down. So here is the ladder that comes with it. It's like a nice ladder. Really hoping that this is the mounting stuff. They wouldn't send you a tent without mounting brackets, I assume. So they weren't so cheap. Oh, oh! Mattress is foamy. Feels nice. It's like a little bit of Mary foam. Take off the shoes, make sure. Wow. All right. Probably not the best to have it on flat pavement. Oh, I don't really know actually, but wow. Hope I didn't just break something. I love it. Definitely feel like I should probably put this on my truck.